What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm running into Walmart to get me some Alfredo sauce, some mozzarella cheese, some bread, some jelly, because I want me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich so bad. So Peach Patch, instead of making breakfast, my kids are on a jacked up summer schedule. They be up until like 5 and 6 in the morning, waking up at 1, 2, and 3 in the afternoon. Walmart and they little raggedy buggies. So they be sleep like all day. I still normally make them breakfast, but today I was like, forget that. I'm finna make some chicken pasta. So if you go over on Cooking with Peach, you'll get to see me making this chicken pasta. But I want a particular kind of Alfredo sauce. I haven't been able to find it in a while. Hopefully they'll have it in here. I looked online. It looked like they had it and they just changed the packaging. So hopefully we find it. If not, I'm gonna have to go home and use my ragu. But nevertheless, either way it goes, I do want me some mozzarella cheese to go in it. I think I'm gonna bake it in the oven. All right, Peach Patch. So I like Kraft. I'm gonna get a big bag of mozzarella. This 1 pound. It is $4.58. I'm also gonna get 1 pound of the sharp cheddar cheese. It's one of my favorite cheeses, just because we don't have one in the refrigerator. So that'll be good. Now we at $10. Oh lordy, lordy, lordy. It's so freaking hot. It's not that good for you. It can give you a lot of acne, and cheese can also cause your baby a lot of acne when you breastfeed. I don't know if y'all know that, but when you breastfeed, if your baby's starting to break out or throw up a lot and you're eating a lot of cheese, that's most likely the reason why. All right, Peach Patch, we need to go on the bread aisle because I need another loaf of bread. I think I'm gonna buy 2 loaves just so I won't have to worry about it. Oh, they got the jelly right on the bread aisle. Definitely need me some jelly. I call it jelly, but I really want strawberry jam. This is Welch's strawberry spread. I ain't never had this before. Peach Patch, comment down below if this is good. It's $2.98. I normally buy the Smucker's strawberry jam. This is what I normally get. Last time, the one I got at home, I don't know if maybe it might be expired, but last time I tried to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with it, it was so freaking nasty. Like, it was like lumpy. It wouldn't spread easy. I think maybe it was expired because I had it for so long. I'm like the only one, me and Choice, that eat peanut butter and jelly. I also want, it's a peanut butter, but it's a honey peanut butter. They sell it in Tampa. I haven't been able to find it out here. It's the honey peanut butter, and it actually got nuts in it. It's so freaking good. I think it was by Jiffy. I call it Jiffy. Jeff or whatever. But yeah, I don't see any. This say organic natural peanut butter. I want some honey peanut butter. California almond butter. Coconut almond butter. I've never seen anything like this. Look at this. It got like a little dripping at the top. I've never seen anything like this. Comment down below, Peach Patch, have you ever used this raw almond butter? Is it good? It's pricey. Damn, raw almond butter, $15.57. Oh my Lord Jesus, that better taste delicious. Comment down below, have you ever tried that marinata? I don't know how to say it. Organic raw California raw almond butter. It says stir and enjoy. This is so weird looking. Crunchy, only 1 ingredient. Girl, 15. That don't even look like it tastes good. $15.47. That's crazy. Peanut butter powder with cocoa. I never even knew they sold all this stuff. I just want some honey peanut butter. Honey. How hard is that? I never seen this kind of peanut butter either. One you could just squeeze. I probably should buy this for Choice. He could really make his own sandwiches. Then that one is $3.47. Well, I can't find. Here go honey. Honey roasted. This ain't big. This probably gonna last me 2 years. Honey roasted peanut butter is $3.30. This is not what I'm looking for. It's a small one, and it actually has like real peanuts in it, but it's still a honey roasted one. It is so freaking good. I wish I could find it. I'm gonna go to Tampa and find me some. Next time I'm in Tampa, I'm gonna make sure I go to Publix to find it, because it's so freaking good. And then when it comes to all these other grapes, I've never tried them. Orange marmalade fruit spread made with real sugar fruit. What did it say? Bone mama. Wild blueberry preserve. This is like the little jellies I be stealing out the casino. I be like, can I have some more jelly? And I be putting them in my purse. That's what they look like. Ooh, I didn't know they sold apple butter. I'm gonna get some of this. It's $2.97. I never bought apple butter out the store. They got a small one. Anytime I go to what is it called? Cracker Barrel, as well as the Waffle House, I get apple butter and I put it on my biscuit. But this is really big. I wonder if they got a small one. Like, we don't like peanut butter and jelly like that in my family. I'm the only one, me and Choice, that really eat it. Look at this, Mike's Hot Honey. This thing $2.47 for a little old thing. I wonder what that do. Mike's Hot Honey infused with chili. Look at the big one, $8.48. I didn't even know they had like all these different options of things. Okay, I'm going a little crazy in the peanut butter jelly aisle. We ain't come here for all that. Let's get back on track. I'm gonna buy what I got, but let's get us some bread. Let me get me some hot dog buns, because we ain't got none of those, and we got kids in the summertime. We're not gonna get this one. I'm like, what? I think the bread just sweating, but I don't want it. They 88 cents, guys, for the great value. For my bread, I like Wonder Bread. I eat that Sunbeam bread too. That's some good bread, but I like Wonder Bread. What is the difference between the classic Wonder Bread and the Giant? They look the same to me. Oh, the Giant is just more, I guess. What's the difference in pricing? I don't see no price by the Giant. They're the same. This is $2.58 for classic, and the Giant is $2.28. So the Giant is cheaper. I'll get one of each, and we'll see. It like these more flat, like good for ham and cheese. This more round. Peach Patch, comment down below. What's your favorite bread? Now, Peach Patch, I am hoping and praying and wishing and hoping that they have this sauce I want. These packets of McCormick Alfredo sauce. All right, Peach Patch, I looked online and yep, they got it. They changed the packaging. Okay, it's Italian, new look, same great taste. I'm just happy y'all got it back in store, baby. I'm finna buy all these. Ain't got no more, baby. So that's 2, 4, 6. The last 6 packs, they're $2.23 each. But I absolutely love these. You have to mix them with milk, so I'm gonna have to get some milk. But baby, I can't wait. I never had this garlic butter scampi. I'm gonna buy 2 of these just to check them out. We're not gonna get that first one. They're like it busts open. Comment down below, have you ever used the McCormick garlic butter shrimp scampi sauce? But yeah, Peach Patch, your girl is so happy to be done found these. I can't wait, but I'm gonna have to use 3 of them already for my meal. So hopefully I'll find them at another Walmart as well, so I can add them to my little collection. Now we need some milk. This is a gallon of milk. It is currently $2.87. Y'all know I don't get WIC anymore. Ooh, I missed it. But it is what it is. I'm happy to be able to still afford food. And I think we done. I don't think we need nothing else. I don't think. Hopefully I won't get home later and be like, oh, I want to cook, blah, blah, blah. I have to run back to the stove. All right, Peach Patch. It's like we're going to have to go to self-checkout. Oh, I need some toothpaste. Let me go buy me some toothpaste and a new toothbrush, because my kids always messing with my stuff. Peach Patch, Walmart got diapers on sale for $7. I don't know if this is a good deal. Comment down below if this is a good deal. Pampers for $7.
I've been trying to find
this outfit.
because they got the pants and the shirt.
Yep.
I want the whole one.
They got these at City Trends and Palm River. They $10.99.
And I stay right up the street now.
They got them. I just went in there yesterday. They got them in there.
In my size.
Yeah. They got 1X, 2X, 3X, extra large.
I'm gonna need about one.
All that butt you got, girl. But Peach Patch, comment down below if you think this is a good deal for Pampers. $7. They said it was $8.97, so you getting $1.97 off. I'm gonna leave my buggy right there and just run and get. Cause baby, if I take that buggy with me, chances are I'm gonna buy some more stuff that I don't need. We just need. Oh, my son asked me to get him a PlayStation card as well. We need some toothpaste, the white kind, because we only got AIM, because Gorgeous decided to brush all her baby doll's teeth with my good toothpaste. And then I need a new toothbrush. Here we go. So Peach Patch, my absolute favorite toothpaste, McINTYRE say, oh, it's so nasty, is this Arm & Hammer. It's $3.48. Comment down below what toothpaste you like, but I like this Arm & Hammer Advanced White. This is what I use on my teeth. I'm gonna get 2. I'm gonna hide one in my closet, because the way my kids set up, now I need a new toothbrush. I'm cheap, y'all. I be getting like $1 toothbrush. We need some of these dollar ones right here. We're gonna get 2 of these to put up in the house, and then I'm gonna get me one good one one good one, like a $2 one. Let me get this, $2.97. But yeah, baby, I use $1 But yeah, Peach Patch, I use $1 toothbrushes now. Yes, I gonna go over here, but baby, them people got too much stuff, so we just gonna have to go to self-checkout. We ain't got that much stuff. It won't be that bad. I almost forgot this child PlayStation card. All right, Peach Patch, the cashier said that the PlayStation cards are on this little stand. The gift card. I'm gonna see if they got a $25 one. Yep, they got 25. I'm gonna get him a 50. Maybe he'll leave me alone all summer. $50 PlayStation card. He was like, Mom, can you get me a PSN? I'm like, what is a PSN? He was like, you know what a PSN is. You know what a PSN is. I'm like, a PlayStation card. Why you ain't just say that? Trying to be slick, but this is $50. He better make this last all summer, not just 1 week. Comment down below. Did it go through? Comment down below, how often do you have to buy your children PlayStation cards? Do you make them earn the money for it? The lady said you gotta make them earn it. We had $57.49. He done put a dent in my pocket. I am so tired, like mentally tired. Physically, I'm fine. Mentally, I'm drained. These things so high. My total finna be so high, Peach Patch. But I love these. I'm so happy to find them. I would have never expected them to be green. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home how they used to look. I know somebody was like, Peaches, make your own Alfredo sauce. All you need is a half a cup of this. Did it go through you? But I like this. Child, the Scampers was $2.23 too. They want $1 and some change like it said over there. I would start, but I don't feel like it. All right, we're at $86.25. Ooh, I might not get all this jelly. All right, Peach Patch, I ringed everything up. Our total ended up being $106.06, but I see these popsicles right here. My kids love popsicles, so I'm gonna just get 2 of these since they right here in my face. They are what? I think they're like $2.98 each. Let's see. And I'll just put these in the garage in the deep freezer. Did it ring up? Oh no, hold on. It's $2.68 each. All right, Peach Patch, that brought our total to $111.82. Let's go ahead and select pay. And I do not get food stamps anymore. I have not gotten any PEBT either, Peach Patch, unfortunately. Now we gotta wait on our receipt. So like with the PEBT, even though my kids did homeschool, when I called them, they stated that the school didn't send over any records stating that my kids, thought it was calling me, that my kids quarantined or that they homeschool for any period of time. So I have to manually fill out something online, and it's gonna take 4 weeks for me to get approved or denied for them. So I was just like, forget it. And then as far as summer PEBT that President Biden is supposed to give all children, that has not taken effect in Florida yet. They don't have any records of it. They're like, we don't know when we're doing that. We don't got no records of it. So it is what it is. I'm just happy to be able to still afford food. All right, Peach Patch, I just got home. The kids are up, but this is the creamy garlic Alfredo McCormick sauce, how it used to look, and this is how it looks now. So it's like more green. It's still green, but it's like more green. I probably would have not noticed this had I not looked online already. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IK, EY, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the IK, E-Y, babe. Hit her like he like it, send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like he like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go. Like. Australia better like. US better like. UK, hit her like. I like, hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa, go like. Worldwide, go like. I hope y'all like this song. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.